Trap. We have a piñata under our staircase.
Yeah, I can hear them up here.
In the last couple days, I seen some wasps flying around, but I didn't know that there was a nest underneath our staircase. Until one day I was walking down the staircase and one hit me in the leg. It didn't sting me, but then I looked down, and I found this nest. Great, another piñata to deal with. So we quickly ran to Canadian Tire to get some supplies. While we were there to pick up something else, we found this product. So decided to bring it home and try it out, to see if we can calm down the wasps before getting rid of the nest. Now they kind of built it in a tricky spot, so when it's time to spray the nest, it will be a little interesting. You can see they're still building onto it, so I'm glad that we caught it in the early stages. You can see the one wasp is trying to build onto the nest. And we're not quite sure how many wasps there actually are. So just to be safe, we're going to hang this W.H.Y Trap up and see how well it works. So stay tuned on setting up this product, and if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe for all new videos, as I'll be posting more videos on how to reload the trap, how many wasps we get, the spraying of the wasp nest, and the opening of the wasp nest, coming in the next few days. So here's the W.H.Y Wasp Trap. It's supposed to catch wasps, hornets, and yellow jackets. We picked up this product from Canadian Tire. The nice thing is it says it's reusable, as you can buy trap replacement kits. So every year you can hang this up in the spring to catch those nasty wasps, hornets, or yellow jackets before they even build a nest. As you can see, everything right now comes in a kit just to use once. This one-time use lasts up to 2 weeks. So we'll give this around a 2-week try and see how many we capture before we start spraying the nest down. So here are all the chemical parts. This first green package will be put onto the top part of the trap, as the wasps can fly in and drown on the top part of the trap. Also, we have the attraction vial. This vial is also clipped into the top part of the lid. And this is the chemical that goes on the bottom part of the trap. Here they included a felt pad. Here you can put the attraction chemical right onto the pad and screw it to the bottom of the trap. We will show you how to put it all together. Here is the bottom cap that you place in the felt pad. Next, you want to open up the yellow attraction tube and pour it right onto your felt pad. Now if you're doing this outside, be very careful, because wasps, hornets, or yellow jackets can smell this right away, and you don't want to get stung. Next, you want to take the cone and place it right on top, and then screw it right onto the bottom of the trap. So next you want to take your attractant vial and snap it onto the top lid, making sure you open the vial. There's 3 different vial snap areas, depending on how strong you want to make it. But when you buy the package, it only comes with 1, unless you buy another replacement package. Again, remember to subscribe because I'll show you in the next video buying a replacement package and seeing the results, and also giving you some more helpful tips. Now here he is pouring in the green attraction tube into the top part of the trap. Next, you want to add water up to the start line. Once you have it filled to the start line, the instructions say to add a little bit of dish soap. The instructions say adding a little bit of dish soap to the top chamber of the trap will help coat the insect's wings to make it harder for them to fly out once trapped. And if you noticed, we had some wasps fly on by because they can smell the stuff already. Oh boy, they're coming around already. Next, put the top cap onto the trap. And when you hang it, the top of the trap will pop open. This is where they will fly into the top section. We better hang this up fast because they're flying around. They also include twist ties to help hang it up. Now the instructions say to hang it in an area where it's shady and away from any flowers or plants. Unfortunately, in our backyard, we don't have any areas that have a lot of shade and away from plants. So we will move it around a couple times to see what better location works for us, as I will be filming each day to see how many wasps we are catching. So here is your W.H.Y Trap for wasps, hornets, or yellow jackets. They can either enter from the top or the bottom part. We will wait and see how long it takes the wasps to find it. Here are all the instructions if you'd like to pause the video at any time to read over the instructions. If you're interested in purchasing this item, you can purchase it on their website, at Canadian Tire, or anywhere else that sells this item. This video is not sponsored, it's just something we found as we were picking up some chemical to get rid of the nest, and decided to try it. So if you keep watching, you will see our results. So in about 5 minutes, we've already captured a couple wasps. So what happens is there's holes on the bottom of the cap. The wasps smell the scent and go into the holes on the bottom. As most wasps aren't smart enough to go back through the holes, they fly up into the cone and get trapped in the lower chamber. And when they get caught in the chamber area, this is where they get dehydrated and die. Here you can see the ones that we've captured already are starting to die. This trap also looks like it catches little flies. So if you have a fly problem, that also may help to catch your flies. You can see they're still trying to build onto the nest and they're flying around. This is at midday. The nest is right under there. So here we're on to day number 2, and it looks like we caught around 8, 9, maybe 10 of them already. Here we're on to day 3. We ended up moving it onto the other side of the deck, into a little bit more of the area that we've noticed them flying. And we're finding this trap is working quite well, as we're catching quite a few of them. I am finding that the bottom part is working better than the top part, but we'll keep watching and see what happens. If you can see the little bird in the background there, he's in the bird bath swimming away. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can check out that video on how I built the bird bath out of boxes. Now we were trying to capture how the wasps get into the trap, and we were hoping this one would go right into the holes and through the cone, so you can see how they get inside. Here is day 4. We seem to be catching a lot of wasps and quite a few little flies. So we've had the trap up about a week already, and we finally got some in the top part. As you can see here, there's a couple that drowned. Now because we have it in the sun, it did evaporate a little faster than it probably should, but that's okay. In the instructions it says do not add any water, as it will weaken the scent. So around this time we've had it up for about a week and a half now. So stay tuned for the next video, as we'll find out how many wasps we caught inside of this trap. And we'll show you the replacement kit that you can purchase to reuse this trap again, to capture more wasps, hornets, or yellow jackets. This will definitely come in handy for next spring, setting it out before they even start building a nest. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all new videos. And remember to click the notification bell to be notified for the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.